चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखते हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वीडियोस विभू शुक्ला के साथ। Hello friends, today we will see how to make BOQ, that is the bill of quantity in civil works. In construction works, how to make BOQ, that is the bill of quantity. The construction materials required in the industry. After the work is executed, we have to submit the bill so that the contractor should get paid. Accordingly, the engineers get the salary. So here we are discussing how to make BOQ. What is BOQ? BOQ is nothing, the bill of quantity. So we have this is our column format. This I'm showing in you this board, and you have to make in the Excel file format. So this is our serial number, and this is the BOQ number. We have to write serial number 1 2 3 4, BOQ number, particulars of item, the item which you are using and the unit of that item, BOQ rate, and this is the update rate, that is the SAP rate, which vary according to the time and year. This is quantity of BOQ, and the amount that you will get by multiplying these two columns. So now we will discuss. Now for example, I'm giving a BOQ number 1001. This is a BOQ number. Now the particulars item I'm discussing, for example, I'm giving earthwork. This is, for example, the earthwork. In earthwork, you can say we have filling and cutting. This is filling and this is cutting. This is just for the example, for the fresher to get it. What is the unit? Unit is cubic meter. It is the length, breadth and the height will get you the cubic meter. And for example, we are taking the BOQ rate when the contract agreement was signed 292. Now in the current year the BOQ rate changed because materials change. Now GST is also applied in the material. Now the material quantity gets 372.15. Now the rate, now the quantity we required. The quantity we required is 35962.48. Now how we will get? If we multiply these two columns, we have to multiply these two columns. If we multiply this by this value, we will get 133,834 36.93. We will get this value. So you see, the update rate and the quantity we multiply, we get the amount. Update rate SAP. For example, the cement cost around one bag is 350. As the time change, and the GST rates are also going to increase, or you can say the महंगाई, the price of items will also increase with the year, with the month, or within a week. So the SAP rate is maintained in the Excel file, and BOQ rate was at the time of the contract the project was signed. This was the amount fixed. Now the quantity we require, it is here, so multiplying these two will get the amount. Likewise, BOQ number 1002, 1003, 1004. This is for the earthwork. Like cement, we use numbers. This is A, this is B, and let it, this is C. So this will be B into C. For example, now the blanketing materials. Now I'm using the blanketing material. Blanketing materials for bed. Unit is this. So now what we have to do, we have to make this A, this is B dash, and this is C dash, then it will give you B dash into C dash. So this is how you make the BOQ, the bill of quantity, and the total amount when you will get, you have to add this 2 and 3, you will get the amount total here. You have before making, you have to this is the purchase item, we have to take care of the unit, the BOQ rate, and the update rate, and the quantity we have to multiply to get this rate. So I hope you like this video. Do a subscribe, do a like on the video, comment for more videos, bell icon press, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Now you see, this is the Excel file of BOQ. This is the file name, how to make BOQ. This is the Excel file. Name of work you will add building civil work. Name of agency like ABC. Agreement number, that is between the government agency and the private sector. Date of measurement, and this is the days of measurement you can write. So now we have to do, now you can see this is the serial number, the schedule number, and this is BOQ number. This is the particulars of item, and this is the page 1, unit, BOQ rate, update rate as per SAP, quantity as per BOQ, and the quantity as executed amount. So when we multiply these two columns, we will get the amount. So we have to focus on the unit, the current SAP rate, and the amount of quantity we required as per BOQ, and we will multiply the update SAP rate with the particular quantity required, so we will get the total amount. So this is the Excel file.